Hey YouTube, welcome to the first of my vlog series featuring myself and my wife. My name is Chris. I grew up in San Diego, but me and my wife now are living here in Tampa, Florida, enjoying the Sunshine State. This is a very unique format where I use a pair of Snapchat spectacles, which is basically a pair of sunglasses that has a camera in it. Now, using this footage, it frees up my hands and I can do pretty much what I would do normally, and allows the viewers like yourself to immerse yourselves, to fully immerse yourselves in whatever I'm up to. But just a little overview on me and my wife's lifestyle. We love to eat out, we love to drive fast cars. My wife actually, she drives a Nismo 370Z. I drive a Lexus ISF. Now my car's way faster, but her car is just badass. It's super aggressive. But we'll feature a video one day using her car. But anyways, we love to eat out. We like to go on vacations. Next week we're actually going to go to Rhode Island. We'll feature a vlog on that. But we like to live our life to the fullest, and today's no exception. Today we're going to go to Busch Gardens. I took her to go to Busch Gardens since we're pass holders. But we started off by cleaning my car because you got to ride around town with a clean whip, always. So I'll let you guys enjoy the footage. This is going to be a very, low commentary or very little commentary video, so you can fully immerse yourselves in the video. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe.